From the heights of these peaceful mountains, a living world unfolds before me, vast, serene, and full of wonder. Below, a green valley and a river winds like a living vein through the heart of the earth. As I wander through this landscape with a camera in my hand, I am not merely an observer, but a seeker of the unseen. Among the green fields and gardens, the river leads me to a place where life reveals its smallest miracles. Along its banks, clusters of wild chamomile sway in the gentle breeze, their golden buds glowing softly beneath the sun. Simple, delicate, yet astonishingly complex. On one fragile bloom, a honeybee dances in quiet devotion. Through the lens of the camera, I descend into a hidden universe, a world of microscopic wonders beating upon the petals of a tiny flower. Under the microscope, the petal becomes a landscape, billowing into plains and valleys where unseen life flows. Here, within a single blossom, an entire ecosystem awakens,
Tiny mites, minute insects, and colonies of beneficial bacteria working together to nourish and protect their delicate home.
These invisible beings break down pollen, create nutrients, and guard the flower from hidden threats. Without them, even the simplest bloom could not survive. Yet, we rarely notice them. It is humbling to realize that within the space of a single petal, a universe of life unfolds, complete with its own balance and harmony. From mountain peaks to the microscopic worlds, everything follows the same divine rhythm, order, purpose, and eternal connection.
And as the camera drifts back, the river reappears. Endless, eternal, flowing through the valley once more. In every drop, every grain, every living thing, there lies a story of wonder.
From the gentle slopes of the valley, a river winds its way through the heart of the land. Its voice, a song of movement and time. Here, in the calm that follows its flow, a small pond lies still, a mirror reflecting the sky, the trees, and the quiet breath of the earth. At first glance, it seems lifeless, a motionless pool cloaked in green. But beneath this tranquil surface, an entire world is alive. A universe so small, so hidden, that only through the lens of a microscope can it be seen.
Tiny threads of algae float like drifting clouds. Upon them, minute creatures move, transparent, delicate, and purposeful. These are the microcosmic architects of the water world, the plankton, the larvae, and the unseen builders of life.
Among them drifts the Daphnia, the water flea, its crystal-like body pulsing with life, its heart visibly beating beneath its shell. Nearby, Cyclops, with its single red eye, glides gracefully through the current, its limbs in perfect rhythm with the invisible tides.
On the surface film, other forms dwell, tiny insect larvae breaking through the meniscus, air bubbles shimmering around their fragile bodies. Each movement, each breath,
a testament to survival in a world measured in microns. The pond becomes a living tapestry. Bacteria weave invisible threads of chemistry, breaking down decay, recycling matter, turning death into nourishment, a silent alchemy that sustains the chain of life. Even the stillness is deceptive. Every drop of water contains its own multitude, a swarm of organisms too small for the eye, yet vital to the balance of this miniature world. Here, harmony exists not by chance, but by design. An intricate rhythm, connecting the smallest and the vastest, from a single cell to the forests that surround it. As sunlight filters through the rippling surface, microscopic lives shimmer in gold. They rise, feed, divide, and vanish, each completing a cycle older than the mountains themselves. And in every unseen corner of the world, from mountain peaks to a droplet of water, the same mystery unfolds. That nothing in creation is small in the eyes of the one who made it.
From the vast silence of the mountains, where the wind carves stories into stone, the camera drifts down towards something almost invisible. A world that exists not beside us, but beneath our notice. Here, even at high altitudes, life endures, delicate, hidden, persistent. Amid dry thorns and faded petals, a yellow praying mantis holds still, perfectly camouflaged. Its yellow hue matches the dried flower it hides upon, turning its body into part of the landscape. Mantises are ambush predators. They wait rather than chase. With 2 large compound eyes and lightning-fast forelegs, they can strike in less than 1/20th of a second. Every movement of the wind, every vibration through the stem is analyzed, processed through millions of tiny neurons. It's a hunter built for patience and precision. The mantis does not move unless it must. It hunts by stillness, waiting for a moment when movement becomes opportunity. Despite its fragile form, the mantis is a master of survival, a design perfected through 50 million years of evolution. A few meters away, sunlight finds another survivor, a bee beetle, Trichotis apiarius, covered in red and black, glistening with golden pollen. Unlike the mantis, this one feeds on nectar and pollen, playing a small role in pollination among mountain flowers. Its colors warn predators, "I taste bad," a signal known as aposomaticism, a defense written into evolution's long memory. lives, a hunter and a gatherer, sharing the same fragile stage, each playing its part in the quiet machinery of nature. As the camera rises again to the mountains, the scale of life reveals itself, from the vast to the microscopic, all bound by the same rhythm, the persistence of life in every form it takes. And behind every order, in the pulsation of every particle of nature, lies the signature of the creator of the universe.